So hello guys, welcome to my brand new video. You are watching Paka US Tech. So in this video, I am going to show you that how you can unlock your Snapchat account if it is permanently or temporarily locked. So we are going to do that. The method is same on the iPhone and Android. Simply you have to open your browser like Safari or the Google. I am opening on Google here, and you have to simply search here. We are firstly going to unlock our temporarily locked Snapchat account. So you have to write here logged account Snapchat. After that you get that my account is logged on the Snapchat support, so simply you have to tap on that, and after that you have to scroll it down and you get click to jump to a section. You have to select that my account has been temporarily logged at the two, and after that you get the option of going here. When you see the my account has been temporarily logged, you have to tap on the going here. After giving your username and password, you have to click on the login. Wait a while here. After that, you have to scroll it down and you will get the option of unlock my account. Simply you have to tap on that. And after that, you have to scroll it down and simply you have to verify that I am not robot, and you have to click on. If your account is temporarily locked, then it will be unlocked. So now how we are going to unlock our permanently locked Snapchat account? We have to again go back to your home screen and you have to again open our Safari or Google, and here you have to search for Snapchat Sport. Open the Snapchat Sport and you have to scroll it down and open the contact us. Here you have to select the option that I can access my account. After that you have to select the I see an error message when I log in. Wait here, and after that you have to scroll it down and you'll get the form to fill. You have to click on the yes. Now here you have to give the username of your account which is permanently logged, and you have to give the email through the Snapchat team will contact you, and after that you have to give your mobile phone number. I'm giving mine, you have to give yours. After giving the mobile number, you have to give your device name. After that, when your Snapchat account is logged, you have to give the date. After that you have to select the file here with the error, and here you have to give the reason that why your Snapchat is locked. I'm giving mine, you have to simply give that problem. Hello Snapchat team, I have gone through related community guidelines and I am sure that I haven't violated any community guidelines. Seeing Snapchat mistakenly locked my Snapchat account, so unlock my Snapchat as soon as possible. After writing that, you have to scroll it down and you have to simply click on submit. So after a 24 hours, Snapchat will contact you and help you to unlock your Snapchat account. Thanks for